everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. I have a couple projects for you today. So I've got this alcohol ink holder, and I thought this was kind of cool. You can make as many of these as you need. I do have an alcohol ink storage container. It's pretty big, and it has like the foam, and you can store a lot of alcohol inks in it. I have a couple of those, but I thought what I would use this for is like my absolute favorites, the ones that I use a lot, or maybe just the pastels and the metallics or something like that, and then keep these more handy for me to use. So that's why I wanted to get this mold and make this for my little craft table. So we'll be doing this one today. And then I have this, so it's all about craft room organization, I guess, today, because I have this mold. It comes with two lids. It has this more decorative lid, which I'm not going to be molding this lid today. I'm just going to be doing the plain lid because this little container, you can make multiples of these and they'll stack, and they're just little storage containers. So we're just going to make one today with this lid, but I wanted to show you that the mold does come with this lid as well. Yeah, so let me pick out my colors or what I'm doing here, and we'll get some resin going, and we'll be right back. Okay, I've got my resin mixing, and by the way, I am using the Let's Resin 1-to-1 epoxy, part A, part B. I am probably mixing up way too many ounces. I'm mixing up 16 ounces. I'm going to do, in the little storage container, I'm going to do 4 ounces of Supernova mica powder and 4 ounces of the Diamond White by Mateo. The Supernova is by Dianca Pores. And we're going to marble that for our little storage container. And then for the alcohol ink tray, I figured it's appropriate to use alcohol inks. So we're going to use berry juice, blue, and the Let's Resin Pearl. So the blue and the pearl white are from Let's Resin, and the berry juice is by Octopus. So we'll just have 8 ounces of clear for that, and we'll do the alcohol inks when we're pouring in the clear resin. So that'll be a little bit later. But for now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and dilute my mica powder in some alcohol. So we'll get our Diamond White. I got to get some more. Oh, I did order more of this. I think it comes in the next day or so. I actually, because this is the first time I ever tried Mateo, okay? And I really, really, really fell in love with this Diamond White. I've been using it a lot. So I ordered some more of it, but they have other colors. So I ordered some other colors too. So when those get here, I'll show those to you. And of course, the Dianca Pores, you just can't go wrong with this at all. That should be good. All right. So I'm going to grab my alcohol real quick, get this diluted, get some resin poured up in here, and then we'll run it through the bubble remover. See, here we go. Look how pretty that Supernova color is. So pretty. And then I'll show you the Diamond White. I just think it's gorgeous. It's my favorite white. It just has such a beautiful, like, shine and shimmer to it. It's just shimmer goodness is what it is. There it is. It's really pretty. All right, well, we'll be back once the resin gets through the bubble remover. Okay, we're going to start with the alcohol ink tray. The 2 colors for the storage jar and the bubble remover, I'm letting them go second because the longer they sit, the better, just because I'm not going to use glue and I want them to kind of marble. So that's why I chose to do them second. But anyway, we're just going to, this should be interesting. We're just going to do some drops randomly here. Oops. Oh, that was a big drop. Okay. There is the berry juice. Here's some blue. guess I can leave the lid off of that. And then here is the pearl white. We'll see what that does. All right, let's get started. So I'm just gonna, oh, there's like some activation going on with the pearl white and the blue. That's crazy. It's like bubbling. All right, we're just gonna, it's probably gonna knock most of it off of the little tops there, but that's okay. We're just gonna slowly pour, kind of drizzle it and swirl it and break that alcohol ink up. And then if we feel like we need to add some more, we'll add some more. This might take a few minutes, so I'll probably go put you on a fast forward while we go through this process. Ooh, it's looking pretty though.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. Baby.
Okay, we are getting to the end here. And I think that is looking pretty domed. So that took 7 ounces. So I'm glad I made up 8. All right. I'm going to just take a lighter here. Now there is a bunch of alcohol ink in there, so be careful. I don't really want to start a fire. All right. Looking good. What do you think? All right, well, when the rest of the resin gets out, we will pour our storage container. Okay, we are ready to pour. Let's do, I hope you can see the lid over here. I'm going to start with the lid. And we are just going to do a little drizzle with the Supernova. Oh, a little bit more than a drizzle. Okay, I'm making a mess. Crud. Here we go. I'm running out of room. Okay. A little bit more. I think these two colors will look really pretty together. What do you think? Okay, let me take a look at that. That looks pretty good. Let's start filling up the storage container. Man, I hope I have enough resin. I made 8 ounces. 8 ounces. I have 1 ounce left of clear. But let's hope that, oh gosh, well, don't spill it over the side. Oh no. I was going to say, let's hope this is enough. I may have to clean that up later. It's looking pretty. I do not think we're going to have enough. This takes a lot more than I thought it did. All right. Let's get the rest out here. Okay. Got our supernova left. Okay. All right. I think I'm just going to pour this clear in here, but I'm still going to have to, I don't know what reaction we're going to get, but we'll see. I'm still going to have to mix up some more. So I will do that off camera and get this full, and then we'll cure, and then we will be back for demold. All right. Okay, voiceover Mary Beth here. We're demolding now, so we're gonna demold the jar. I think it turned out really pretty. And the lid. Oh, I did it backwards. The lid and the jar. Just showing you there. I have no idea what I was talking about. I didn't realize. I think my mic was turned off. And then look at the alcohol ink holder. Oh, by the way, this was really hard to unmold. Those are not easy to get out. I was a bit surprised. But look at that. It's looking pretty good. I like the little pearl white spots that show up in it. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get these finished up, and then we'll be back for the final reveal. Okay, we are back for the final reveal. So here's our cute little alcohol ink tray holder. And gosh, I just think that turned out so pretty. I didn't do much. I used some sapphire rhinestones just around the edge here and just around the center one there. And so, for the alcohol inks, that those are too big. Oopsie. Let me grab a couple that fit. The Let's Resin ones fit nicely in here. So there you go. I think what I'm going to do, because I may have mentioned this, sorry if I did already, it's been several days, but I have a big case where it holds my alcohol inks, but I think I just might put like the pastels and the metallics, like my favorites, or the odder, not the normal ones, or something like that. I don't know. What I really would like is like a pedestal. I could put a candlestick underneath, and then it could just set like that, but I don't know. Either way, Or, you know, it'd be nice if we could spin it. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. I like it. And then I used the flower as a handle for our storage box. So there's the lid. Here's the box. We just lined with beautiful rhinestones. I love the colors of this. Yeah, and I think that box is so cute. It's just a cute decorative box. You could not do a handle, not do any rhinestones, just leave it and make more and they would stack. You know what I mean? For like storage boxes. So yeah, there are all kinds of ideas. But I thought this would be cute. It'd be cute in like a bathroom or something, you know? So I thought they turned out really nice. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed the projects today, and thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to join my little YouTube family, I'd be honored to have you. Don't forget, I have a lot of coupon codes in the description box to save you some money on different companies, so take advantage of that. And if you would like to reach out to me, my email is also in the description box. All right, we'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.